I'm just in here about to twist my hair. So all I put in is milk. And then, well, this is my family size bucket of Shea. Let me see, yep. And I need about that much for each section. And that's all the product I put in my hair for twisting. This brush that I'm using is the curved contoured paddle brush. It's really sturdy and it's a little bit finer than the Cosmology brush. The Cosmology brush, paddle brush, is what I use actually while I'm in the shower, shampooing my hair, because that brush has wider sections and it gets the bigger tangles, and then I can go back through afterwards to with the smaller curved contour brush to get the finer when I'm styling. So again, I'm going through putting products in my hair before I start twisting, so that, you know, obviously my hair will start to dry. The sections that I'm not working on will start to dry. And so all I'll have to put in my hair as it dries to twist it is water. I'll just spray it with some water and we're good to go. So this is the side section that I do. I don't know if y'all can see that. But all I do is take a little section, flip it up. So how I do my twist is I flat twist it a little bit at the root to get some control, and then I twist. And the reason I flat twist it is so that when it starts unraveling, it will start unraveling while it's wet before it actually dries and sets. The root of your twist out will still be defined, so you won't have a bush at your roots and then, you know, nice little defined curls at the root. So this is it. I am done with my hair for the day. I do not sit under the dryer, so this is a no heat style. So I'm taking my twist out. All I'm doing is unraveling. I'm not separating. Alright, so this is the bonnet that I use. It basically is like a hood that ties on, okay? And I was able to pick this up at my local Walmart. Alright, so I put it on, I stuff my hair in it. See, it just got a stuff in the back. Alright, and then, yeah, I forget what it's called. I bought this a while ago, but if you like have a Walmart in your area, that's like where most of the black people shop, I'm sure that they will have this kind of extra long bonnet. So that's how my hair looks in it, and everything can go in it. And For my hair, this thing stays on all night. Okay, gang, so it's morning time. I'm in a rush. This is how I twist my hair. So my hair, I remember, was stuffed in a bonnet. Okay, I'm ready to start my day.